Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create a Telegram news channel. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Telegram application. From here, just simply tap on the pencil icon of the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on new channel. And from here, tap on create channel and just simply name your channel. Let's say I'm gonna go for helpful news. And from here, just simply provide a small description of your channel. And from here, you can also add an image for your channel. Just simply tap on the camera icon and it will redirect you to the gallery. Now, once you are done, just tap on the check icon on the top right. And from here, you can go for public channel or private channel. So when you go for private channel, it can only be joined via invite link. But when you go for the public channel, it can be found in the search. So when people search on your channel, it will be visible. And from here, you can actually customize your public link. So just simply go for the link that you prefer, and if it's not taken, it will be said that it is available, and you can just simply tap on the check icon on the top right. And from here, right away, you should be able to add people from your contacts, or you can just simply search them by tapping on add people over here. And once you are done, you can just simply tap on the arrow facing the right side, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.